In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get next day delivery on Amazon. This is a simple but very useful feature, and I'll guide you step by step so you can take full advantage of faster shipping options. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon and sign into your account. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In option at the top right and enter your details. To access next day delivery, you'll need an Amazon Prime membership. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for a free trial or choose a subscription plan. Once you're signed in with Prime, use the search bar to find the product you want to buy. As you browse the results, look for items that show the Prime badge. This indicates that the product is eligible for faster delivery options like next day or even same-day shipping. You can also make things easier by using filters. On the results page, select the option for Prime or choose Faster Delivery under the shipping filters. This helps you see only the items that can arrive quickly. After finding a suitable product, click on it to open the product page. Here, check the delivery information carefully. You'll usually see an estimated delivery date. If next day delivery is available, it'll be clearly mentioned. Next, click on Buy Now or add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, you will see different delivery options. Choose the next day delivery option if it's available. Before confirming your order, make sure your shipping address is correct and that you place the order before the cutoff time. Delivery speed often depends on the time of purchase and your location. Also, keep in mind that not all items qualify for next-day delivery, so availability may vary depending on the product. One helpful tip is to order earlier in the day, as this increases your chances of getting faster delivery options. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get next-day delivery on Amazon. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.